Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we are going to make planters using these plastic containers. But they are all wall mounting and matching with your bathroom tiles. So first we'll see the materials required. So these are the different bathroom tiles of my house. So let's start making the planters matching with these tiles. As they are all wall mounting, we need the containers with flat sides. So first remove label from the bottle. We need only part of the container, so remove or cut the unwanted part accordingly. All the containers come with some design which we can utilize in cutting and making the designs on them. After cutting, don't discard this part because we can use this in many ways. Trim off the extra plastic if any. Make a square cut at the back side of the container to put them on a hook. I have these glass blue beads with me and I felt they match with one of the tiles. We'll stick them on the container using Fevicryl fabric glue. What if you don't have these glass beads? Don't worry, I'll give you the option. Now make an outline around the glass beads using silver glitter outliner and let it dry completely, then the silver glitter will be visible. Now this is the option for not having the beads. Make an empty square outline with silver outliner. After it dries up completely, then fill with glass colors. With this, the planter one is ready. Yes, it matches with my tiles, so that much design is enough. Coming to the second planter, we will prepare the bottle like the previous one. Here also don't throw the cap as it has a very interesting shape and we will use it later. So this is the part which we are going to use as planter. So we will make square outline using metallic gold outliner. We'll make some design inside the squares. Here I really did not think about the design because I just copied the design on the tile. Now we will fill the squares using glass colors. But fill only enough color so that the design inside the square will be visible. Now rest it flat till the glass color dries up and then do the other part. After filling the glass colors, I felt we need to make the square outline prominent. So I made the outline over the previous outline again. I made this design to fill the center and side parts of the container, and this design also I copied from the tile. With this, our second planter is ready. Prepare the third bottle also the same way by cutting the unwanted part. Here we will paint the container with acrylic color after adding little POP in it. After applying the paint, dab with sponge to get uniform coat of painting. After 2 coats of painting, to match with the tile design, I drew some lines first on the container. I know the lines went little wrong, but we can hide all the flaws by filling some design. Made dotted outline using metallic gold outliner and then filled the gaps with black dotted outlines. Final step is to give 2 coats of varnish to make it waterproof. With this, our third planter is ready. This is the container for our fourth planter. As I said, utilize the design of the container to cut and prepare it for a planter. Here I made design using 3D liners. After making the design, to make it more interesting, I run the toothpick over the paint to give multiple lines effect. As this bottle is very small, I made 2 similar planters of same design. The color of design on tile is ochre yellow, but we don't get the same color 3D liner. So I just painted the yellow lines using ochre yellow fabric paint. So perfect. With this, our fourth planter is ready. Let's display the planters now. I am using the existing hook to place the planter. You can buy these very easily online or whatever available in the market. Now add water in the container and then place the plant. This plant is variety of Dracaena, commonly known as lucky bamboo, and it grows in water very easily. If you don't get enough light in your bathrooms, then you can always place artificial plants. To place the second planter, I stuck the hook using araldite. So for that, mix two components and apply the mixture on the backside of a hook and wait for some time and stick it just before it becomes hard. Here the plant is variety of Syngonium. I hope the design on the planter matched with the tile design. What do you think? Okay, moving on to the next planter. In this planter, I am placing Sansevieria, commonly known as snake plant. This really fitted well in the space between mirror and the tile. For the next planter, I used these hooks as they are very small and then lightweight. In these planters, I placed regular money plant. So with this, we finished placing all the 4 planters. If not wall mounting, you can always place them on a ledge. And once in a while you can even change the place. This is what art around house is all about. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. So next time when you find any plastic container in interesting shape, so grab it and transform it into a beautiful planter with simple painting like this. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, and if you are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.